Today's recipe: Turkish delight. Milk 3 cup. 1 2 cup powder sugar. Mix well. Bring it to boil. Add 1 2 cup corn flour and mix well. Don't turn on flame until mix. Cook on medium-low flame until thicken. Add 1 tablespoon butter and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Set a layer of desiccated coconut. Second layer, pour the prepared milk mixture on it. Third layer, homemade strawberry jam. Again layer prepare milk and equally spread it. Strawberry jam. Desiccated coconut. Set for 1 hour refrigerator. After 1 hour, strawberry dessert is ready. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video.